Taking off the fenders on the 04 Ti today. 04 through 08. We got, I started a little bit, sorry. Some bolts here, here. These have to come off. There's a bolt right here. I believe the last one is right there. You know, if you got side skirts, then you know you gotta take them off. But luckily for me, that's a Miata bumper. Why is that in the TR? Luckily for me, my side skirt was already off. Oh, that's the one you gotta get. A or B. Got another bolt right there. All you really need is 10, a screwdriver. Ooh. It's not hard. It's just 30. Who likes 30? Right here, it's just one of these. For everybody's sake, maybe we should keep those. Somebody needs to pick up all this grass. It's not gonna be me. Who's next? Hey, next. This was not easy on the other side. I had to imagine, you know, everything is normal. Side skirts in your car. But in this case, it was not. So, unscrewed those and then yanked it back and got it out. But you'll probably break the side skirt doing that. So, don't do that. Grab this guy. Don't want that. Bust one of these. Yep. Boom. Ooh. Put that boom in here. Then you gotta bust one. I think you're good. Oh, nope, you're not good. To unplug this. Firmly grasp. If I feel like it don't want to come out, just make sure it's cleared from that. Boom. Right. Oh, not good. person that I sold this to on Facebook didn't see that. Pop that out. The other one, you got your light, and your car is more naked. It's not cool, but whose choice was that? Probably yours. That's what you need to know to take off your fender. If you've got questions, holla at your boy.